Welcome to the ILN app. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate through the app. This is my board where you can create new entries or look at your existing ones. You can add a new category by pressing Add Category at the top. You can add a recommended category, search existing, or create your own. Let's make a private diary. You can start off by naming your diary. I'm going to name mine Journal. Click on Add Journal Entry to create a new entry. Here I'm creating a journal about my pet, so I'm adding a bit of text and a picture to go along with it. You can add pictures by clicking the photo icon. Hit save when you're done and your entry is made. You can create other entries like goals by clicking Add Category at the top. Add different goals you're trying to achieve, and when you're finished, you can check off the ones that you actually completed. You can add reminders as well to stay organized. Click Add Category at the top and hit Reminder. You can add different reminders and click a date and a time and the app will remind you. Click Save and your reminder will be saved. You could choose to either make your entries public or private. When adding a new category, you could click Privacy at the bottom to choose if you want this category to be public or private. On entries that are already made, scroll down, click the lower right hand side, and click whether if you want this entry to be public or private. You can add entries even when you're not connected to the internet. Just add an entry, press save, and once you connect back to Wi-Fi, it will automatically sync to the app. Click on feed to see entries from people you follow. You can like their entries and comment on them too. Click on the search icon to find new members. You can use the People Flipper to watch their profile video and see their latest entries that they made at the bottom. You can search for entries that you or other members have created. You can also like and comment on these entries. You also could search up files and open photos and videos. Add events directly to the calendar. Just click a date, add a name, add a description, and click Save, and it's added to the calendar. Existing reminders also show up on the calendar. Just look at the highlighted date, and if you click it, it'll take you directly to the reminder. If you click the chat bubble on the lower right hand side, you can chat with members through the app. You also can share entries with them by clicking the entry, press share, and then share in a message. Then you click the person you want to share it with, and now they can see your entry through the messages. If you click on your profile image on the upper right hand side, it takes you to your profile. You can see all the entries that you created if you scroll down. You also can see all the files that you uploaded. You could organize them and rename them. You can view your followers and see who you are following. You can view your followers' entries, but only the entries they allow you to see. You also can unfollow someone that you no longer want to follow. You can check out all your notifications right next to your profile icon. This allows you to keep track with everything that's going on in the app and things that you might have missed. If you click the hamburger menu, you can view the ILN website through the app, as well as change your app settings. And also, if you need help, you could contact us and find other ways for help. Thank you so much for downloading the ILN app. I hope you enjoy it.